In a prior Easy Online Bookkeeping training video, I demonstrated how to create a simple bank rule. In this video, I'm going to look at some slightly more advanced bank rules that we set up from within the bank reconciliation screen. In this first transaction from NAB, $15 has been incurred, and instead of manually typing this in, we're going to create a rule. I'm going to select any text field. So if any text field contains the letters NAB, then this rule will activate. Now, because there's a second line and this is set to all, this second line must be true as well. So I'm going to set this to amount equals $15. So what this is saying, if there is any text field containing NAB, and also, because we've selected all, the amount equals exactly $15, this rule will work. The description, we'll put bank charge monthly. The relevant code is bank fees. So 100% of this figure, according to this bank rule, will go to bank fees. Description for the rule, and also as per my usual convention, I put 404, indicating in this rule where the amount is going to be coded to, that is 404 bank fees. Click Save. Back in the Reconcile screen, you'll now see Xero has suggested this bank rule because those two lines that we set up in the bank rule are true. That is, NAB occurs in a text field and the amount is exactly $15. This rule would not work if the $15 was something else, so the bank charge was something different. In this next transaction, we've got a $411.35 expense from Gateway Motors. I'm going to create a rule for this one, and let's assume it might be a sole trader, and we want to code the transaction to part business and part private as per logbook. So I'm going to have two lines here where we're allocating the remainder of the transaction after any fixed line items. We're going to put, let's say, 60% business use, might be per the logbook. So the first 60% goes to business use, the second goes to private use. And we'll allocate that to drawings and no GST will be claimed on it. So this logic can be applied to any expense that might occur in Xero. So you can set up bank rules, you can be quite creative, and it's all about saving time and streamlining things. Car service. Now in this example, because there's two lines to how the bank rule allocates the transaction, I'm going to put in both of the relevant chart of account codes as per these two lines. Click Save. Back to the Reconcile screen. And here we've got Xero suggesting this rule. I'm going to view details to see how in this particular example the rule has allocated the dollars. So there, 246.81 being 60% of the 411.35, and the remaining 40% going to drawings because it's the private use component. Save transaction, reconcile, and we're done. So if you need any help with bank rules, whether they be simple or slightly more advanced, please don't hesitate to contact me at easyonlinebookkeeping.com.au.